Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to have two Instagrams on the same cell phone. They're not two Instagram accounts, but two applications. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. This helps me a lot to bring more videos like this to you. Let's start the video. To clone Instagram, the first thing we must do is open our device's settings. Once you open your device's settings, look for the apps option. Now click on Dual Apps option. Here all the applications you have installed on your cell phone will appear, as we can see that Instagram is already right above. Click on it and activate the Dual Apps option. After you have activated this option, your cell phone will automatically create a new Instagram application. You can clone almost any application you have installed on your cell phone using the Dual Apps function. We can see that my device has already created an Instagram clone app. If I click on the clone app, there will be no account of mine here. It is as if the app has been installed now. The video ends here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time.